In today's video, I am going to teach you how to sell a PDF with Kit. By the end of this walkthrough, you will have a PDF set up as a digital product, priced, created, and published, so people can buy and download it. Start by signing into your Kit account and looking at the top navigation bar. From there, click Earn. This is the area where Kit organizes tools related to monetization, including product sales. Once you are on the Earn section, click Products. This will take you to the Products dashboard, where you can view anything you have already created and where you will add a new item for sale. Next, click New Product. This begins the product creation flow and helps you set up the key details in the right order. You will be prompted to enter the name of your product. Choose a clear, specific title that matches what the buyer will receive, since this name is what you will see internally and what customers may see depending on your setup. After you type in the name, click Next to continue. On the product type screen, select Digital Download. This option is designed for files that customers receive automatically after purchase. Then upload your PDF file. Make sure you upload the final version, with the correct formatting, page order, and any links inside the document working properly. It is also a good idea to confirm the file name is professional, since it may be visible to the customer when they download it. After your PDF is uploaded, set your price. Take a moment to enter the amount you want to charge, and double-check that it matches your intended pricing before moving forward. When you are ready, click Next. Now you will see the final creation step. Click Create Product to generate the product inside Kit. At this point, the product exists, but it is not yet live for customers. To make it available, click Publish. Publishing is what allows the product to be offered for sale, so do not skip this part. Once it is published, your PDF is officially set up as a digital download product in Kit. That covers everything you need to know.